guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yosi and this is my corner. Guys, I am so grateful. The love I got on my last video was so overwhelming. I really want to thank you for the support. Thank you for the subscriptions. Thank you for the likes, the comments. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe. Put on your notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the MVPs. I really appreciate you. Are there times you are just in a fix, you don't know what to cook? This was one of those days. Guys, it is tiring. Mamas and some papas as well in the house can relate. Like constantly thinking about what to cook, it can be so exhausting. So on this particular evening, I just said to myself, go into the kitchen, check what and what do you have. Go into the freezer, open it, check and see what protein do you have. This was how this meal came about. You see, sapa rice and beans, it hits differently. I won't lie to you. So that was how I pre-cooked some beans. I picked the beans, washed the beans, and pre-cooked it. It is always better to cook your beans like 80% done, or let's say 70% done, because beans takes more time to get soft. Like it takes more time to cook than rice. So you want to bear that in mind. I also proceeded to parboil my rice. I had eggs in the house and I decided to boil them in the rice. Omo, gas don't cause. In fact, everything don't cost. Everything is expensive, guys. If you're in Nigeria, you know. Omo, how are you guys coping? How are you all coping? I am honestly sending every Nigerian a hug. It's not easy. We are struggling to survive. But I pray that God will just make a way for us. You keep providing for us because the times are what? The times are critical. God will help us. God will see us through. So I actually got some smoked Panla fish in the freezer. This was me deboning them. I was cleaning them thoroughly because children are going to be eating from this food. I also have a toddler, so I have to be very careful. I properly deboned the fish and I washed the fish. I was done parboiling my rice at this point, and I had to change pots. This bigger pot is where I'm going to cook my sapa rice and beans. So this was the fish I washed. I added salt because I was going to fry this fish. I had to fry this fish for two reasons. The first reason was I wanted the fish to be strong. Like I didn't want it to melt in the food because I removed this fish from the freezer. It wasn't very strong. And secondly, I wanted the flavor of the fish to be infused in the oil. I wanted the scent of the fish to be in the oil. Like I was just trying to build up flavor as well in the oil. After frying the fish, I went ahead to fry the base for my sapa rice. Enjoy the video, guys. if you've watched this video up to this point, thank you very much. I am really grateful. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not. Comment, like, and share. Also turn on your bell notification so you will get notified when I drop a new video. After frying my stew base, I went in with my parboiled rice and parboiled beans, or pre-cooked beans if you want. I also went in with the fried fish. Then I went in with little water. I like cooking my sapa rice and beans this way. I like mixing the rice and beans before going in with water. This works best for me. This way I know the quantity of water to add. So basically, I mix the rice and beans before going in with water. I adjust the seasoning, and that is it. I cover it and allow it to cook. So tell me, do you cook sapa rice and beans, or do you only cook sapa rice, or yeah, team jollof rice, team coconut rice, team orishirishi rice? Just tell me in the comment section, which team do you belong to? And just like that, our delicious sapa rice and beans is ready. You can also call it T-pain rice. Guys, this rice tasted so delicious. I really enjoyed it. My family enjoyed it as well. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your love, appreciate your support. God bless you. Do well to subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.